Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. Today on my Wednesday shout-out video, it's all about my good friend Brian at Retire for Life. And Brian sent me a very nice letter. Look at the nice letter. I just get, it's a very nice letter. I know that I'm not supposed to show the address of people, stuff like that, but a very nice letter. And before I open it, is Retired for Life. What it is, he's get almost 1,000 subscribers. He's got 920 subscribers. He made 286 videos. And what's it all about? I'm retired from, and Brian is saying, I'm retired from working for a living, and I'm now in search of how to have a life for a living. That's a big quest. I have created this channel as a source of fun and to share with you with what kind of trouble I get into. Alright, please keep in mind that this channel is not a teaching channel. I figure things out as I go. Sometimes it works and sometimes it does not. I'm not an expert, I'm just a guy having some fun, so that is outstanding. So he joined the 9th of November 2019, and I already did a shout-out video for him, and it it went very well. I think it was my best shout-out video. So, and as I can see right now, he just published a sticker mania time clearing a turkey runway. And I can see my sticker that I sent to him, so please go see him, his channel. I'm gonna have the link of his video about it, and then after that I'm gonna comment his video. I see Mike with Maintenance with Mike. I see my sticker, and Noel from Garden Tractor, and I forget the name of. Let's open that, see what it is. Noel, Garden Tractor and Firewood, and what else he's got? He's got also myself, Maintenance with Mike, yeah. So he's just, you can see his video right now. I'm just gonna try. He's talking about his sticker cabinet. So, so go please see his channel. I'm just gonna move that like this. And now time to open the famous his letter. With my outstanding bayonet self-made knife, and very sharp. And let's open that. Holy smoke! Oh la la la! Hey, look at that! I'm gonna need my glasses. He's get retired for life. Your host Brian email look at that very nice business card. And he gave me 3 nice business cards, and look at this very nice sticker, very nice. I'm gonna try to do something nice here, and look at these very nice sticker. Very nice, thank you, Brian. And I have this, and look at this very nice sticker here. I'm just gonna start there. Not sticker, but oh my god, it is a very professional letter. Look at that. Hello David, please find and enclose one of my channel stickers and a couple of my new business cards. I'm looking forward to seeing my sticker upon your famous board and adding your stick to my tool cabinet. So as you can see right now in the video, I think he's about to put mine. Now he's putting my alright. So I always enjoy watching your videos. You seem to have sometimes interesting and informative going on all the time. By the way, I have a pellet stove, not a wood stove. Does it still qualify for a wood stove challenge? Yes, my friend. It's a pellet, it's coming from the wood, so for me, it qualifies. So go ahead and make the wood stove challenge video. I can wait to see it. Alright. I love that little tractor of yours. Thank you very kindly. It's amazing what these little machines can do. Oh yes, and you have an orange tractor too. So yes, he's a proud owner of a Kubota. and can do. Just think of all the time you'll be able to spend on it when you do finally retired. Yes. The question is when. Yes. I'm addicted to the RCAF, so hey boy, that's gonna be tough going when I decide the day. Just think, okay, I will tell that retire life is the best. Well, I know there's oxygen outside the forces of the RCAF, but right now, I like it, and I like it a lot. Well, thanks again, and stay safe and happy. Sensitive yours, Brian Carpenter, Retire for Life. And thank you very kindly, Brian. I know you're saying very nice word. You just opened my letter on your video right now. So let's put your sticker into my quite jam-packed sticker kitchen cabinet. We'll see about that, all right? Stick around. Cheers. All right, folks, so I'm going to open my kitchen cabinet. One thing I forget to mention about Brian, is a fellow amateur astronomer. So, clear sky to you, Brian. We both have the same passion about looking at in the sky at night and during the day too. So, just as an information. Okay, the question is, where I'm going to put the sticker. Holy smoke. Alright. I may have some place somewhere. I'm gonna find it. Alright, Brian, so I find a place for you. It's right there in the corner, just beside the Twin Brook Acre, beside Noel Garden Tractor and Firewood, beside my good friend Mark at Manistoke, Donna from Dream Creation and Adventure. So and by the way, all these stickers, I'm gonna put the links of all their channel on the video description. Okay. So again, Brian, thank you very kindly for your outstanding sticker and business card and very nice, kind letter to me. Thank you very kindly. And again, folks, let's support each other. Please help Brian to reach that one precious 1,000K subscriber. It's a big milestone for all of us for various reasons, and also to encourage, to help him to share knowledge. And and it's a tractor community. Let's help each other in good and bad days. Keep up the good sense of humor. Humor is the vital factor on all these channels. Let's show that we can have fun and against the adversity of life, what life can throw at us. Always smile at your enemy. That's the best tactical advice that I can give you. Yes. That's that tactical advice is written with blood, with my blood. Yes. Smile at your enemy. That's the best thing. So again, thank you again, Brian, and all this channel. I mean, my goodness. You know, I ain't gonna go through that because it takes long times. But look at those channels; they're very outstanding. Some of them, I mean, Chris at Watershed, Ilse Acre Open, Kenny at Open. Retired Open Air Adventure, Viper, Roberto, Yuzu Helper, Kindness, Ross at the Ross on the Land, Grumpy Workshop. Look at the orange is my new tractor, is my new green new tractor. Joseph at Garden Tractor Boy in England. JP, the best Canadian ambassador. Had the Monday live stream and his videos with his new land. I guess I'm going through that, I know. Of course, Gary with Tractor Talk with Gary, outstanding. I already talked about, hey, Gator, I didn't forget you. Gator World, outstanding, Jewel of Knowledge. And also Sebas, which is training his dog. He gave me that cup with my color. again, Noel at Garden Tractor for Wood, Mark at Ministokey building a barn. Donna with all the help she's doing with the veterans, she's an angel sent from above, definitely. I already talk about twin Mike with twin Brookacre. Who am I? Oh, of course, John at the Riddle will do with his two nice daughter. A nice family man. Homestead hopeful. He's getting a Marindra with his been assimilated to the Tractor Cab Collective. Of course, my good friend Ken Bersilic, the student machinist who has become a master because he's rebuilding his latte, his machinist. Dave at Pale Horse Outdoor. He doesn't do any more videos. But one of these days he's gonna come back. Ilse Laker with Richie and Christy Verhart. Dana Bowen, yes. Alex Henry Life now is 360. Alex Henry Life now is 180 Florida, living in Florida. He must appreciate the very nice rain instead of snow and all the sun during the summer. And of course, my good friend Mike Martel at the Maintenance with Mike in BC in British Columbia with very polar cold, like minus 38 Celsius, even colder than that, I believe. Maintenance with Mike, very good guy too. I think I did the Viper, yes, yes. So again, yes, thank you very kindly for your outstanding support. Let's help each other. And yes, and hopefully your spring will arrive for those of you who doesn't like winter. But for me, I'm living the life, man. All right, cheers. I completely forgot Logan at Fabit Fun. He's our outstanding family dad, and it's been a while since make video, but yes, I didn't forget you, Logan. All right, cheers. And don't forget Joe at From Steel to Wood and my good friend Logger John01 for his outstanding logging video with his Christmas special, tasting various type of food and stuff like that. All right, cheers.